Every pair begins with raw polymer resin.
Connecting now. Got it. Ready.
Material is secured and prepared for transport.
Clear to move!
From extraction site to manufacturing floor. The journey carries the foundation of every slipper. Arrival at the production ecosystem. Preparation for controlled material transfer. Stored and ready for transformation. The manufacturing process begins. Raw material moves deeper into the system. Lifted for controlled distribution. Guided through enclosed transport lines. Measured and staged for precision use. Exact quantities ensure consistent production. Material prepared for transformation. Approaching the heart of production. Ready for shaping and formation. Inside these walls, raw material becomes footwear. Consistency begins with disciplined process. The transformation floor comes alive.
Precision setup ensures uniform results.
Steel molds define every contour. Locked and ready for injection. Heat converts solid resin into formable material. The shaping moment begins. The first form emerges from steel. Automation ensures consistent handling. Cooling stabilizes the molded structure. Excess material is carefully removed. Surface clarity reveals true finish. Early inspection prevents downstream defects. Imperfect pieces are removed immediately. Components advance toward assembly. Openings are formed for secure strap placement. Each piece is positioned with mechanical precision. Fastening elements prepare for connection. Structure and flexibility come together. Durability is verified in motion. Final shaping refines the surface. Consistency is achieved through controlled finishing. Identity is sealed into every pair. Color application begins under controlled conditions. Uniform coating defines the final appearance. Controlled heat stabilizes the finish. The surface bonds and strengthens. Temperature returns to safe handling levels. Human oversight confirms machine precision. Human oversight confirms machine precision. Digital verification prepares for final automation. Automation organizes every size with precision. Dimensional accuracy is digitally confirmed. Balanced material ensures consistent comfort. Flexibility is measured under controlled force. Full surface imaging detects unseen flaws. Matching ensures visual consistency. Brand identity meets inspection standards. Approved pairs move toward final refinement. Final hand finishing ensures a flawless surface. Every edge is examined with trained eyes. Grip performance is reinforced through measured pressure. Movement is tuned for durability and comfort. Precision cleaning prepares for final verification. Environmental balance is digitally confirmed. Alignment guarantees presentation precision. Finished products advance to final evaluation. Final verification begins in the quality lab. Exact dimensions are rechecked against specification. Strength is measured under controlled load. Durability is proven through repetition. Shock resistance confirms performance integrity. Wear tolerance is verified before approval. Only flawless pairs move forward. Certified and ready for final packaging. Approved products return to the main floor. Packaging begins with precision forming. Each pair is carefully placed for shipment. Sealed, labeled, and traceable. Bulk orders take organized form. Stabilized and moved to storage. Prepared for distribution across markets. And this is how modern factories produce Croc slippers from start to finish.